Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Gonna be going over the contents of today's Hidden Woodsman day rock outing. So let's get to it. Alright. This log looks like a great place to do a bag dump because I'm not sure there's gonna be another one around. Plus I want to take in some water. So first I have the Nikon with the Ultra Pod. This for handheld shots. My sunglasses because it's sunny. Rocking the Hidden Woodsman day ruck today. Seemed fitting. Bottle of water, or my Nalgene of water. I don't know if there's a water source here, but I gotta hydrate. That's just in this little side pouch here. There's really not much in here. Got in this front canteen pouch, I've got a stuck canteen. It has some survival food, trail mix, spare batteries, the lid, although I didn't bring a stove. So I was planning on getting lunch when I leave here, so. Let's see. Sunglasses. Front zip pocket, I have nothing. Got a little mini fire kit. I actually have a haversack for a shoulder pouch. My buddy gave me this. I was hoping to fill it up with Morels, but there's no lid or anything for it, but I figured I could just throw the Morels in here. Or fatwood if I come across any. Bug spray, because it's getting nice. And the bugs are not nice. I got the raker folding saw, just in case there's fatwood, like I said. I got 2 more knives. Didn't bring very heavy knives. I just got a Morel. This is actually a new one. And then I got this one. I actually won this in a giveaway, Kevin's Adventures, when he was making videos. And he made the sheath for it. I believe he made the sheath, or someone else did. I forget now, it's been a while. We got the camera case for the Canon, which I'm filming this on, with extra batteries inside. Gone over that before. The case for the Nikon, so when I pack it up at the end of the day, it'll be safe. And I've got this, my brother gave me this for Christmas. It's a Mountain Series hiker first aid kit. Not heavy, so, and that's it. Oh, and I got the little mini backup fire kit with lighter. Here on the outside, which I did a video on. I just never took it off the pouch, so it's pretty much a full fire kit. Do I have a flint and steel in here? And I got striker, ferro rod, cotton balls, or cotton pads, ferrocerium rod, Fresnel lens, matches, all tied together with Ranger band. And I happen to be wearing my Hidden Woodsman shirt is a cotton, so I could tear the sleeves off and make charcloth if I had to. I actually just never took it off the pack. That was kind of the point of making them. I could just leave them on the pack in case my foolishness left my thing behind, which has happened before. What's in the fire kit? I don't even remember what's in the fire kit. So I got a fire starter, I got matches. Oh, I think I took the ferro rod out. I got some cotton balls, some jute twine, You know, lighter, but I took the ferro rod out. Yeah. But I actually have a ferro rod on me, so I do have one. I just don't have two. So I have none. So since one is none, at least I have one and like 3 lighters. And there's a guy coming, so I'll pause. All right, well there we go. Like I said, there really isn't much in here. Is there shelter? No, because I have plenty of. I have cell range. I can always call for help if I had to. I have ways to make fire. I have no gloves, I noticed, but you know, you just have to make do. I mean, gloves are handy, but I just forgot to grab them. So I'm gonna get back to hiking. And I just realized I took my pack off so I could hydrate, and it's behind me and I can't. Oh well. Maybe I'll walk a little bit and find another stump and hydrate there. So anyway, yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.